In Adobe Photoshop 2021, if you're ever faced with this particular problem where you see this particular error saying that could not complete your request because of a program error, here are the steps that you need to take in order to solve this particular problem. So if you face this program error as seen in the screenshot, all you have got to do is go into Edit, Preferences, and Performance. Go here and uncheck this Use Graphics Processor and say OK. And then close this out. So once you close it, now open Photoshop again. Ideally, it should solve the problem. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Opened up. Fingers crossed. It's loading. Say create new. Code. Say create, and there you go. It's opening successfully now. Thanks a lot for watching, and share this with others so that they can also benefit from this. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.